Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to amazing Iran. Today, we are taking a journey through the beautiful forests of northern Iran, heading to a hidden gem, a stunning restaurant with breathtaking views and mouth-watering local cuisine. Join me as we travel along this serene road, surrounded by nature's beauty. This drive is not just about reaching our destination. It's about experiencing the tranquility and the charm of the journey itself. And here we are, nestled among the trees. This restaurant offers the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Let's hit aside and see what makes this place so special. The first thing you will notice is the incredible view. Imagine enjoying a meal with this stunning backdrop. It's simply mesmerizing. See the beautiful jungle? That it's really amazing. Oh my god. It's so amazing. It is one of the most beautiful restaurants I've ever seen in north of Iran. And now it's our table for dinner, and now it's the view. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I love it. Now let's talk about the food. Northern Iranian cuisine is renowned for its rich flavors and fresh ingredients. Today we're trying some traditional dishes that you won't find anywhere else. First up is Mirza Ghassemi, made with eggplant and eggs. This dish is not only incredibly delicious, but also beautifully colorful. It's true local delicacy from the north. Made from succulent lamb, this dish is loved by many and must try when you're here. Just look at these vibrant colors and generous portions. And the taste, absolutely divine. This isn't just a meal, it's an experience. The combination of delectable food and stunning scenery makes this restaurant more special. So, if you ever find yourself in northern Iran, make sure to take this journey. Discover the beauty of the forest, savor the local cuisine, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing travels. Thanks for watching.